Alright, so let's look at the metal detector. So let me turn the lights on so we can see it better. It's a model right down here in TC1071. Opening the box, you're gonna see a user manual. Of course, the back to organize it, put it away. Really cool. So here is the actual product. I'm gonna put it together first. My first metal detector, basically, and can't really compare one to another. But it looks super simple. Really simple to put together. So, no complaint. And here is the unit right here. And of course, the pouch. Really cool item that they included. What if you found something and you don't have a digger? So right here is a small digger that you can use. Really cool, right? Really cool that they provided this. I never seen one before that does this. So basically you just screw on to this. Somehow you gotta lock it. Hold on, let me do it right. Okay, there you go. Okay, then you can maybe extend it out. Something. No, you cannot extend it out. So this is it. All you have to do is just lock it in, and there you go. You have something to dig and get stuff out both sides. Okay, that's really cool. So let's put this together, and we're gonna come back. Okay, so the whole unit has been example, really good, really smooth. It went really well. The only thing is that, you know, I have some dead batteries. I didn't know. I thought it was, you know, a dead unit, but apparently my battery was dead. So I got a multiple battery up here just to test it out. There we go. Fully assembled. And as you can see right here, this is the screen. Let me get it closer. You can look. Very clean. Very easy to work with. And here is where you want to put your hands, and then this is your arm, go around it like this, and then start scanning. It's really fun. Some fun activity for the kids in the backyard, or you know, go out into the wood. Pretty cool device.